Going into Ingles. They have a pretty good sale going on, so we're going in here to get some of that stuff, and we're getting the stuff to make Christmas chili. Okay, I need a red and a green pepper. Red and green pepper for Christmas chili. Look at all the Christmas cookies.
Yeah, look at this.
Ingles had Cookie Day. Kraft mayo is on sale.
Okay.
For $3.98. Green beans. The Allen's ones are on sale for $2.98.
Okay.
Yeah. For the chili, we need some stewed tomatoes and tomato sauce. They got some not dented. I see some that are not Italian. Way back here, look, I found them.
I found you a big can of the stewed tomatoes.
Oh, not dented?
Not
very good, very good. Okay, and then I'll just need 1 can of little one, yeah. You know what, let's do that. If they're on sale 2 for $3, let's do that instead. Got it. Ground beef. Get one of the unsalted too. Bluebell ice cream is on sale for $6.98, but they have sold out of the peppermint. They've got pistachio almond, not the same. And they have mint chocolate chip, but it's also not the same. Anytime Ingles starts putting out the snow things, get ready. It doesn't matter if it is 60-something degrees outside. Ingles knows. Okay, y'all, we're back home. We're gonna make the Christmas chili. I'm putting in 2 pounds of ground beef. This is gonna make a lot of chili. It's called Christmas chili for a couple of reasons. The first reason it's called Christmas chili is because we're using a red and green bell pepper, the colors of Christmas. The second reason is because whatever's left over, you jar it up, put it in the refrigerator, and on the days that you're too busy to cook, because it's Christmas time, you can just warm up the chili. And there's a lot of times, especially when kids start getting older, that you drop your spatula on the floor, that everybody might not be here for supper, and if there's only 1 or 2 people here, they can just warm them up some chili. But the most likely reason of all for why it's called Christmas chili is the red and green pepper. I've been watching The Grinch too much and reading the books. We're gonna slice up this onion and the peppers and put them in here with the ground beef. Oh my goodness, I'm dropping everything today. Now we'll get the peppers ready. Okay, we're putting in the peppers. We'll let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. It doesn't look like we're going to need to drain it. If you need to drain it, you can, but I don't think we're going to need to. We're using McCormick Tex Mex Chili seasoning. Two packs. Okay, we're putting in the stewed tomatoes. I had a big can and a small can, so 14.5 ounce and a 28 ounce. I'm going to drain these just a little bit. The stewed tomatoes They just always seem like grandma style tomatoes to me. Okay, now the tomato sauce. We have a 29-ounce can and a 15-ounce can. Last thing, 1 can of light red kidney beans. That's a big pot of Christmas chili.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him.
While the chili is simmering, we're making old school 90s Christmas stockings. Probably 70s, 80s, 90s, 60s. I don't even know when this started. Y'all remember, just like Scrooge remembering the way, we could do this blindfolded. You want to make a Christmas stocking with your name on it? Yeah. Okay, I'll help you with yours, Manly. We'll let them do theirs. You take good old Elmer's glue, and we're gonna write Manly on here. You gonna go with green or gold glitter?
Green.
Green? Okay.
I went to the refrigerator.
You got you a snack for stocking making? Here you go, Donna.
Yeah.
Shake on a bunch of the green glitter all over the top of it. All over it.
Well, I can't even find.
Yeah, cover up the whole name. That's what you want to do. Cover it up, and then I'll show you what you do. Cover it all up. Don't forget your M over here.
Goodbye, Em.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us. La 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. La 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. La 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure. La 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 la. Fast away the old year passes. La 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses. La 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 la. Sing we joyous all together. La 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather. La 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of olive. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Droll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la.
Okay, y'all, it's a little while later. The chili is still warm. I've had it off for a little bit, letting it cool down, but still kind of warm. I'm going to go ahead and put it into the jars. I should get 2 of these and I think 4 of the 16-ounce jars. It's really good. It definitely tastes like classic, wonderful, grandma made you some chili. Come on in and warm up. That's what it tastes like. Merry Christmas. this will come in handy throughout the rest of this week. I don't think I'm gonna get 4 of those jars, maybe at least 2, the other ones.